As you can see in my time lapse, I went to the Bakers and Beans again and I treated myself on a iced coffee. Yes, darling, someone is not happy and went away. No bagel this time, just an iced coffee, and actually I did quite some work, as you could see in the time lapse as well. I did edit a video, I uploaded a video, I posted a post on Facebook, what else did I do? Oh, I made collages for my pictures for the live video tonight, and I updated my agenda. So yeah, now I have to print my pictures and I'm ready for my live video, and I just have a few hours to chill and relax. Petrigor is ready. The pocket page kit and the planner kit with the embellishments and leftovers I had. Here I have my thread, a bit tangled, but I'm gonna look for a color which matches it so I don't have to look through it during my live video. And next up I'm gonna get my selfie and print my pictures. I will be live in 30 minutes. Like I said, I already made collages from my pictures, so the only thing I have to do is select my selfie Wi-Fi, go to the Project Live app, and in this box I have my pictures. So let's do that. Printing is done. I am ready except for looking up, searching for my thread. Someone wanted some attention and somehow he knows he's not getting any anytime soon. No, because I'm going live in 15 minutes, something like that. And he has to be quiet all the time. So yeah. No, but really, I'm ready. Printed my pictures. Ooh. That one can go. Laptop is ready. Tripod is ready. I don't know what it's doing. Oh, apparently it wasn't finished yet. 1, 2. No, that's right. I need one more. Well, here it comes. Never had that before, but yeah. Laptop, tripod, thingy for my phone, daylight lamp, embellishments, kids, and pictures. I have my camera here. I will turn it around because I have it here. Now you guys can see it and I can film you on the screen. I'm vlogging at my YouTube. I show every creative thing I do in a week. Yes, Chantal. And I have 712 subscribers. Thank you. And when I have 750 subscribers, where's my paintbrush? When I have 750 subscribers, I will do a giveaway. This morning you saw me finish my layout from yesterday, from the live video. In the meantime, I have been working and I am, I do have work, other work. And I'm quite tired right now. I hope I'm not too red on the video. But yeah, I will be uploading my content to my computer. And I am not sure if I will be creative tonight. Chantal is doing a live video. Maybe I will scrap with my own project, but I'm not sure. At least tomorrow I have a lot of creativity in the planning. So yeah, let's see what tonight brings, and tomorrow will be a good and active day. That was the second time today I started talking in the camera without an SD card in there. Annoying. Thank God I didn't have it with something else what I was doing and I made a time lapse and it didn't happen. No, it was just me talking. So I will do it again. I was telling what I was doing tonight. I watched the live video by Chantal, and during the live video I made collages on my phone with my pictures. I printed pictures for 3 pocket page layouts, and tomorrow I will make 2 of them for my design team, and the other ones I will save for another project, I don't know yet. During the live video I also edited my video, the one I finished or made this morning, finishing my layout from yesterday from my live video. So that will be up soon. I will do the voiceover tomorrow and probably upload it tomorrow too, so it will be on my YouTube before this video goes live, I think. Yeah, I think so. But now it really is time to sleep.